Uh,
Hello and welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to see what is the principle of plane table survey, and second, we will discuss the different methods of plane table survey. So first, the principle of plane table survey is parallelism. So what is the parallelism? The rays drawn from the instrument station to the object on the sheet, it should be the parallel to the position on the ground. So this is called as the parallelism principle. Okay. Now there are different methods of the plane table survey. So the first method is radiation, second one is intersection, third one is traversing, and the fourth one is the resection. Now in today's video we are going to see the first method, that is the radiation method. Okay. Now the radiation method is used when all the objects to be sighted are or we can say it can be sighted from a single position, and in that case we can use the radiation method. Okay, so in field, radiation method is used with the traversing method to locate the interior details, or the radiation method is used when all the details can be sighted or it can be taken from a single station. So in that case the radiation method is used. Okay, now before sighting the object, again you have to do the temporary adjustment. So the first temporary adjustment is setting up the plane table. Already we have done that. Second temporary adjustment is the leveling. Okay, so the leveling is done with the help of spirit level. Keep the spirit level first in this position, then the second position is perpendicular to the first position, or it is kept at the right angle to the first position, and bring the bubble at the center. So the second temporary adjustment is done, that is leveling. So the third temporary adjustment is, now here already we have marked the station point on the ground, and we have to transfer this station point on the sheet. So in this way, the plumb bob should hang over the station point, and upper arm point should be exactly over the point on the sheet. So in this way you have to do the centering. Centering is the third temporary adjustment. Okay. And the fourth one is, you have to mark the north direction with the help of the trough compass. Okay. So here you have to bring this needle on the 0, 0 position, and with the help of the pencil at this edge you have to mark the north direction. Okay, so this is the north direction. So these are the different temporary adjustment of the plane table. Okay. Now we'll use the alidade for sighting the object. Now first we have marked the point A, then point B, then point C, and point D. So these points are marked with the help of a ranging rod. Okay, and we are going to locate this point on the sheet. Okay, so for that, first you have to sight with using the alidade. Now when we are sighting, one care you have to take, the graduated edge of this alidade should touch this pin. Now here this station point we have marked with the help of a P. Okay, so you have to look through this eye vein, and the horsehair of this object vein, it should be exactly over this here. Okay, now I am sighting the ranging rod at station E. Okay. So you have to look through this eye vein. Okay, and the horsehair of this object vein should be exactly over the ranging rod, which is fixed at the station or at point A. So then you have to mark you have to draw the ray toward the object E. Then you have to bisect the second object, that is a ranging rod, which is fixed at the station B. Now inside the ranging rod which is fixed at at object B by using this alidate, and draw a ray towards the object B. Now I will bisect the ranging rod at object C. And draw the rays toward the ranging rod at C. Then I will bisect the ranging rod, or I will bisect the object B. Now in this way you have drawn the rays toward the object A, B, C and D. So these are the different rays. So by us you have to name those rays A, B, C and D. Okay. Now with the help of a tape you have to measure the distance from station O to object A, then from station O to object B, and same way for C and D also. Okay. So you have to measure that distance. Now already we have measured that distance. So the distance OA is 5.7. Now to some suitable scale you have to convert that distance and you have to mark that point on the sheet. Now here you have to select the scale. Now the scale here we have taken is 1:100. Okay. Now the distance on the ground is 5.7. So as the scale is 1:100, so here we have to mark the distance. Okay, so as the scale is 1:100, so here you have to take the distance 5.7 centimeter. Now the distance OB is 6.3. As the scale is 1:100, so this length is 6.3. Okay, then OC is 5.24. So mark that point and 4.45. Okay. So to the some suitable scale we have marked the point. Now join this point. Okay. So in this way the traverse ABCD is marked on the sheet. Okay. So whatever the point that we marked on the sheet, it is denoted by a small letter. Okay. So ABCD, and this is our the station point O. So in this way the traverse ABCD is marked on the sheet. So this method is called as a radiation method. Thank you very much.